Hello guys again. In our last tutorial, we talked about multiple Git commands and what is Git. In this tutorial, we will continue to learn more things about Git. So let's start. Today, we will learn a new Git command called Git log. And what it will do, it will display information about the comments you have. As you can see here, we have just one comment. The first comment we have done in our last tutorial. So let's add more comments to see how it will be. Let's modify the file again. I'll add how are you. Now, as always, I told you always it's good to check the status to see what things you modified. Maybe you modified one file without noticing that you modified it. So git status before adding and committing. It's a good thing to do. So first we checked git status. There's one file modified, and I told you even you can check what exactly modified by git diff. You can see that we added how are you. So now what we will do is first we use git status, then git add, then git add to add it to the staging index. If we write git status again, it is now in the staging index. Now what we can do, we need to commit that change. Commit git commit m. Adding new line. So this is the message for the comment, adding a new line. As you can see, one file changed to insertion. If we write git status, we'll see that everything is clean. But if we again executed the command git log, you can see that now we have two comments. This is the first comment. This is the second comment. Each comment has information. As you can see here, this comment, it has the SHA. So it's SHA stands for secure hash algorithm. It's a unique long 14 character. It's mixed of numbers from A to F, from 0 to 9, and characters from A to F. So as you can see here, we have two SHA for each comment, and it's like the ID for the comment. Also, we have the author. In this case, the author, it's me. But in case you are working with multiple developers, you will see here like another names. But if you are working alone, you will see just your name again and again. And here you will have the date for that command, and the commit message. So if you want to see them without all this information, you can use git log, then 2 dashes, 1 line. It will show you each comment on 1 line. So this is the first the first 7 characters from the sh1, the ID for the comment, and this is the message. So this is what will do the git log 1 line. Another like good thing to know, git command to know, is the git show. First, let's use the git log to take the commit ID, copy the commit ID, go back to Git Show, then give it the commit ID. It will give you information about this exact commit, like the ID, the author, date, message, what things changed, all this useful information. So let's create another files. I'll add Git. I'll write code home.html. I will add the same things inside it. Let's create also new.html. Add same thing. If we now try Git status, you can see that we have two files in our working directory. So what we can do, we need to add them. So before I told you can add them by git add home.html. But sometime when you have a very big project and you need to add everything, it's very hard to add one by one. So there's a shortcut for that. What you can do is git add, then dot. Git add dot, it will add everything. So again, git status. As you can see, everything is here. Then we need to, after adding them, we need to commit. Git commit m, then the message, and new files. Git status again, we can see that all the files added to the repository. So always to add new files, first you need to check git status, then git add, then git commit. This is always what you will do to add new files or new changes. So now we will learn about branches. To create a branch, you can easily say, first we are now already have a branch. It's the master branch. As you can see here, we have the master branch. And if you execute the git status, you will find that we are on the branch master. To create a new branch, you can write git branch, then the name of the branch. I will name it div. Now our branch created. To move to that branch, we will use the git checkout, then the name of the branch. Switch to branch div. As you can see, now I'm on the div branch. So again, first thing, to create a branch, we'll use branch.div. Then to move to that branch, you can use git checkout, then div. So now we have the master branch, we have the div branch. And now, if you execute again the git status, you will find that I'm in the branch div. So to explain more how everything is working, I told you from the beginning that the main thing in the Git, it's the comments we are making. So each one of these things, it's a comment. So this is our repository. We have here the first commit, second commit. We have done 3 comments, so we will be on the third. We will be on the third comment, the master. By creating a new branch, as you can see here, we have here 2 branches, the hotfix and the ISS 53. But consider it like for us, it's the master and the div. It will be like this, but for us, it's pointing on the same comment. So right now we have multiple commits. We have branches. For us, it's master and div. This image makes sense more. Like we created 3 comments. we have the master, and for us it's the div. It's pointing to the same comment. So right now we are on the div commit. Let's do some changes to our files. Let's change this name to Zaina. Then save. Let's check the status. Tell us that there is a new file modified, which is the new.html. What we will do, we will add git add to add this file, to add this change, then git commit. Change the message, change the name to Zaina. So now again, git status, everything is clean. So now it is more like this. We are on now master is pointing to one commit, while the new branch, the div branch, pointing to another commit, which is the one we changed the name on it. So if we check the git log, we can see that the div branch, it's on this commit, the one that we changed the name Zaina, and the master branch, it's in the previous commit, the one we added the new files. So again, let's move to the picture. The master in one commit, the div in another commit. So that means that the master has the old changes, the old code. If we went back to master, we will find that we have the old changes. Right now, if we check the file, we'll see that hello Zaina, how are you? But let's move again to the main branch and check. So git checkout master will take us to the master branch, and if we check the file again, you will see that it's hello Abdul Karim, not Zaina, because each one has a different version of the code. So now what if I want the master to have the same code as div? What you can do, you can just say git merge div. As you can see here, we merged div to master. So if we go again to the file, you will see that now even the master has the same code, hello Zaina, right here. And it will tell us what changed by merging these two files. There is one file changed, one insertion, one deletion. One insertion is the Zaina, one deletion is Abdul Karim. So again, git log one line to see git two dashes, git log one line. You can see right now the master and div, they are in the same commit, the change the name to Zaina commit. So by merging the two of them, we move the two of them to the same commit. And this is usually what will happen when you work with multiple guys. You will have different version of your code. Each one of you will work on a different feature. Then all of you will merge your code to one code base. So that's it for now. Next tutorial, we will learn new things, and see you.